Hey everybody, it's Jay Knows Credit back with another video. This one right here is going to be talking about the new $5,000 primary. This is not jewelers, just for those who are going to say that as soon as they start watching this. This is not for jewelers. This is a brand new $5,000 primary. And I did have to re-record this video because my last video I made for this a couple of days ago, it was not in compliance with them. So I just have to omit a couple of things in this video just so that there are no red flags. Okay, so apologize for those who are trying to look for this video again and could not find it, but now it'll be back up. So without further ado, this new $5,000 primary will post to all 3 credit bureaus shortly. Right now it's only posting to TransUnion and Equifax, I believe, just those 2 right now, but it's going to post to Experian as well. And they'll backdate it back to when you actually got this line of credit. So if you get it now, they don't have Experian until August. They'll backdate it to February to make sure you get that credit for those months that you've had this particular line of credit. So just to let you know about that, this will be on all 3 soon. Okay, which is fantastic for my clients. All right, so you got to be 18 years old. You got to be a U.S. citizen. You got to have a valid Social Security number, of course. This is not for CPNs. You got to have a credit history. Doesn't matter if it's bad or good. You got to have some history of some sort. Okay, you got to have a monthly household of $1,600. I'm not really sure if they really do due diligence of checking that part, but that's what they want you to have. Okay. All right, so you do have to place at least $100 order. There is a I think it's $99 fee that you have to pay as far as the yearly fee. You do got to sign the e-documents and everything that you'll get in the email before your account is approved. Okay, so make sure you do that. There are different categories that they have of products here. You got sporting goods, cameras, electronics, tablets, cell phone, even got jewelry and watches as well. It is an online platform where you can actually order products. So it's not a Visa or MasterCard. It is used to help you be able to get future Visa and MasterCards though. Okay, so just a couple of examples of the products. They got some headphones here. I love headphones. So they got some Bluetooth headphones. They also got some name brand products, like they do have Apple computers that you can get as well, iMacs. They got children's toys, action figures. They've even got things like fishing rods, and they've got appliances for your home and for your kitchen, stuff like that. So really a nice range of products there that you can get from this company. But all you gotta do, I'm gonna put the link here below this video. You can just click the link, you sign up, you pay the yearly fee, you pick one product that's equal to at least $100, and then you can go ahead and make that purchase. You're going to finance half of that product. The other half you got to pay up front. So minimum you pay about $150 for this line, and you'll have a $5,000 credit limit, which will help your credit to debt ratio, which will also help boost your score. Okay, for those of y'all who don't have any credit at all, this is definitely something you want to get. For those of you seen my other video, I do have another video that shows another $9,000 in credit if you haven't seen those already. But so if you got this one and the other 3, this gives you a total of $14,000 in credit, which I'll probably make another video just with all 4 lines up there to make it easier for everybody to access. All right, but please follow me and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get alerts when I go live or when I post a new video. Follow my page on Facebook, Jay Knows Credit, Instagram, Jay Knows Credit, and also Snapchat at Jay Knows Credit. I do giveaways and stuff for trade lines, as well as just different things dealing with credit. I'll be doing some t-shirt giveaways. But that's all for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you on the next one. God bless you. God bless your finances.